These are the Sony ULT WEAR Bluetooth active noise cancellation headphones. In this video, I'm gonna unbox them for you, so for you to see what comes in their box. I'm gonna also tell you about their build quality and their specifications. So let's open up the box. So here it's telling you that you need to install the application by scanning this QR code, turn on the headphones, and then connect them with Bluetooth to your phone. So you have some documentations in the box. And the headphones come in this very nice hard shell case. And the zip feels really of a good quality. And these are the headphones. So I chose them in this off-white color. They have the nice Sony logo here that changes colors also. And also in this hard shell case, you get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm TRS cable, USB-A to USB-C cable that is only 1 foot, and it is to charge the headphones, and the audio cable, it is 1.2 meters. And you have in the case a drawing to show you how to put the headphones in it. For the build quality, these headphones are made mainly of plastic. They have some metal parts like the headband here, and the plastic, in my opinion, doesn't feel of a very good quality. But overall, the assembly is good and there are no faults anywhere. For the specifications, these headphones from Sony have 40mm drivers, unlike the drivers of the XM6 that are only 30mm. And this is a very good thing. They have Bluetooth 5.2 and they have the LDAC, SBC and AAC codecs. They cover a frequency of 5 Hz to 20 kHz if you connect them with the audio cable here, and you can use them offline if you connect them with the audio cable, or also you can use them online so to benefit from the active noise cancellation. And the frequency they cover when you connect them in Bluetooth is from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. They weigh 257 grams and they fold like this, and they also fold like this, and their battery lasts 30 hours if you turn on ANC and 50 hours if you turn off ANC. And they have 4 microphones for environmental noise cancellation and for calls. So that was a quick introduction video for the Sony ULT WEAR headphones. If you want to listen to their sound quality, to their microphone, and to an active noise cancellation test, you can look at the link in the description for a video I made for this. If you want to check them out, I'm going to leave also a link in the description, and it is an affiliate link. So if you make a purchase using this link, I'm going to gain a small percentage, but this is at no cost to you, and this will support my channel. And if you liked my video, please share it and subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.